Hello, in this video I want to show you how to access water tank on Sharp Air Purifier. And to do this we'll need to place our purifier on the back side like I have right here. Then there's the water tank right here. What we need to do is to push down the button in this gap right there and pull it down. It should release just like that, and then on the bottom you can unscrew to add some water. Now to insert it back we'll need to basically close this handle, and you need to keep holding it, then slide the water tank inside and simply push it in until you hear the click. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.